So what is the possible worst thing that you could imagine, that you could think of, that is a total no-go in sales and public relations? Well, this might be surprising, but it's not even that out of the ordinary. And that is arguments. Do not ever, please do not ever, ever, ever argue with the prospect. Never, okay? Because the only thing what it will create, what you will create by arguing with the prospect, is that you will solidify the prospect's opinions on what you guys are arguing about. Because what is happening is the prospect argues or says a complaint or whatever, it pushes this way, right? And then if you fight against it, you're pushing it that way. Now, Newton's law, you know, action, reaction, or whatever they say about Newton's law, effect, counter effect, etc. Right? So if he pushes this way and you push against it, his immediate instinctive reaction will be to push against it even harder. And then you will push against harder, and then he will push against harder, and you guys are going nowhere. You guys are literally stuck on the one concept or two concepts or in an argument. And you want in a sales that things they go smooth. You want to progress yourself and your prospect through the interview, and you will not be able to do that by actually arguing or having counter opinions or you know, disagreements. And even if it might seem like that the prospect had moved on, trust me, the prospect never moves on. The prospect will get stuck on that one, and just to show that how wrong you are, is going to say no to your deal, to your offer. So do not ever argue in public relations or sales or ever in anything, right? It just don't.